papayag aking pusong mapalayo sa'yo. Oh baby, 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 halika, tara na. Saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Sa bundok o dagat ba? Sa mga ulap kaya? Walang problemang iisipin pa, kung ikaw naman ang laging magkakasama. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi na napapasabing mahal kita mula umaga mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi at bago sa mga ulap kaya walang problemang iisipin pa, kung ikaw naman ang laging magkakasama. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala.
To my dearest parts, Dado!
Napapasabing mahal kita mula umaga mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi at bago matulog ng mahimbing. Naiisip kita pag ika'y tinamaan, aatras pa ba?
Para ano, kagaya kay G, ang
Kala mo
lalagyan.
di kailangan, ngunit ngayon'y di na kayang
Pinoy.
mag-isa. At tuwing wala sa'yong piling, telepono ko ay puno ng usapang mahalaga sa atin. Kung magandang umaga o kumain ka na ba, pag narito ka na hindi maalis sa'yo ang aking tingin. Oh baby, 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 halika, tara na. Saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Luzon, Visayas ba? O Mindanao kaya? Walang problema, iisipin pa, kung ikaw naman ang laging makakasama. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabing mahal kita mula umaga mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi at bago
Nakabahan ako. Halos 1 year namin itong gi-prepare. Confident naman ako, pero syempre tumulong ako. Tumulong naman ako. Grabe talaga ka-heartwarming and syempre happy ako masyado. All in na, bahala na. I think ako ang iyak ng marami ngayon.
bago matulog ng mahimbing. Naiisip kita lagi oh. Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang di ko naman hinanap. Oh, ikaw pala ang araw sa likod ng ulap.
Explain ko lang the meaning ng VCUT. Text ko lang. May meaning.
Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabing mahal kita mula umaga.
I'm just really rooting for you and Judy. Mamaya na lang iba.
Naiisip kita.
Ayayab, this is it. This is what we've been praying for. Can't wait to see you later. Let's go.
Yeah, this is it na talaga. Alam naman natin na gawin na ating hard work for this. Nag-invest talaga tayo ng ating money, emotions, time. I'm so very, very happy ngayon. Parang feeling ko blessed tayo dahil ganda ng weather. See you later. Judy Grace, Miranda Baniket, palangga gita ka. Hey, sorry na kagad ako, mag-iyak ako ha, pero I will try my best na tapusin ang aking sinulat. Yes! Uy, ganda mo naman.
Akap ay inaalon sa
Yayabu, I super can't explain these overflowing emotions right now. Grabe tagan, pag nakailang iyak na ako. Bibuin mo, Ilang years akong nagpapakute sa'yo. Nung college, shitmates pa tayo sa halos lahat ng subjects. Pero sadly, di kinaya ng aking charms. Nalusop ako. I was discouraged, na-shy away, at dahan-dahan na bring down ang ating status hanggang naging mere acquaintance through the years. But fate has written a beautiful plot twist, reconnecting us through gaming. Who would have thought? Ang love story natin ay isang patunay na comeback is real. Victory!
ang iyong halik.
Yeah. So, yun, I really can't believe that we're finally here. So, now we're standing before our families, our friends, and before God to seal this love under their blessing. So, after all the pauses, the stopovers, and the waiting it took to get here, Yayab, I'm so glad it is you. I thank God for writing our story. We are two imperfect sinners, graciously allowed to experience His faithful love through one another.
Bukas
You chose me despite of my health conditions. Kaya Yabu, I always say, I will be your hype man, your kakampi. Miss alagaan ko sa love ko pa. Hindi ako.
gilid nandito.
We eventually grew apart, take different paths, and live separate lives. But then God allowed to cross our paths again, and in His perfect timing, everything began to make sense. Slowly, you became my person, my constant. Choosing you was not just a one moment. It was a slow burn, a series of prayers, persistence, and quiet yeses. You remember even the simplest things, which is why ikaw na talagang in charge sa grocery at Excel files.
Nang lumbay
There is no perfect marriage, there is no perfect family, but there is a godly marriage. There is a godly family. As long nga ang Ginoo sentro sa sina nga pag-asawahay.
kita.
I will be your ally in life, to worship with you, to walk with you through every season, to work hard alongside with you, and to serve our God together as we live out His purpose He has placed on our lives. I will seek God with you, pray for you, and with you, and build a home where Christ is honored. I promise to pour my heart into being the wife and mother of our future children that you and our family deserve.
Na mahal kita.
To myself that I promise to develop self-control. Because I want to live longer with you. Because I cannot imagine you having waters alone. Because madami pa tayong pangarap yan. Promise sabay nating i-enjoy yung mga new unlock items na yan. Mga new places to travel. Lahat ng promotions pupuntahan natin. Wait lang. Ha! Yab, palangga ginta ka.
Kita kita sa aking bukas. Panalangin ko na tayo ang wakas. Mahal
The only love triangle that is godly is that Christ ang ara upod sa inyo. Lifetime togetherness with Christ. And may the Lord bless His word in our hearts, especially to both of you.
A.W. Tozer once said, "The heart cannot love what the mind does not know." You came wanting to truly know me, and because of that, my heart learned to love, to trust, and to stay. You refused to give up, became an extension of God's love in pursuing me again and again. God truly knew exactly what I needed, and it was you.
Ko na tayo ang wakas.
So Charles and Judy, importante, updanay gid kamo as husband and wife for life. Kag updon niyo ang Ginoo. Enjoy your married life, but do not take Christ out of your marriage.
Yayab, I can't wait to build a life with you. A home rooted in faith where God is centered, forgiveness is practiced, and love is shown and spoken. Yayabu, I love you, and I always love you. No backing out and no giving up. I promise to love you and only you, faithfully, intentionally, and wholeheartedly, for all my days of your life.